Chair, Transco should know about this because laying of the dark fiber or the fiber optic cables.
Bakit hindi nyo napag-usapan ngayon ng gobyerno? Dahil hindi na, our concession agreement, alam mo, magbe-benefit ang ano dyan ang gobyerno.
Mr. Yeah, if I may be
Yeah,
allowed.
sige, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, the fiber optic cables were laid down beginning Transco's time. So at the time that we inherited the transmission system, there were already certain facilities that had the fiber optic cables. Now the dark fiber is what they call the portion or the core of the fiber optic cables that are unused. Kaya po dark, kasi pag fiber optic, nag-iilaw po. Ngayon, meron pong potential talaga yon. Kaya nga po isinulat sa concession agreement na kung sakaling mapaggagamitan yung facility, including the fiber optic cables, nang hindi po necessarily connected to transmission, maaari pong gawin ng concessionaire yon, which is NGCP, as long as ibigay po nila a maximum of 50% nung mapagkikitaan nila doon para pababain ang singil sa transmission system. Ngayon,
Yes.
sir, ang sinasabi namin, nagkaroon po ng related business, pero hindi po sa fiber optic cables. Naisip ba ho namin gamitin yung fiber optic cables? Yes po. Natuloy ba po? Hindi. Ang natuloy lamang po ay yung aming kasunduan sa gobyerno na ibinibigay po namin free of charge yung use ng dark fiber. Right
Yes,
now po,
okay.
yung DICT po, pinapairal niya po yung agreement na yon kasi nagkakabit na po siya ng last mile.
Alam mo, Attorney Mucha, sana hindi kayo nagka-problema. Kung kumuha lang kayo ng prior consent, di ba? Bago ninyo nag-offer kayo ng exploration, nag-post na kayo sa website ninyo, and then, according sa mga documents na nakuha ko, meron na mga purchase sa Globe and Smart eh. And that's the reason why I'm trying to tell you na potential to eh. Di ba? Dapat pag-usapan nyo na to ng PISAM or whichever part of the government agencies na i-explore talaga natin to. But the problem is, hindi kayo kumuha ng consent. Anyway, eto na, punta po tayo. Kasi,
Mr. Chair, just one small clarification.
Attorney Mucha, mahaba na salita mo,
Mabilis lang po, 10
sige.
seconds. Iba po yung Globe at PLDT, yun po yung co-location antenna. Hindi po sila gumagamit ng dark fiber. Ulitin ko po, hindi po namin pinagkakitaan ng dark fiber.
Uy, wala akong sinasabi pinagkitaan nyo, ha?
Kasi po yung business na sinasabi nyo, it
Yeah.
means meron na pong arrangement, meron na pong financial consideration.
Yeah.
Wala po yun.
But
Ang nangyari pong...
but the potential is so huge.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Correct po. Kaya
And you
nga
know
po,
that,
ibinigay
di ba?
namin yan sa gobyerno free of charge.
Okay, maraming salamat doon. Punta tayo sa... Sige, kayo na mag-usap. Sige, go ahead.
Ano lang kasi, play with words eh. Sinasabi,
Wait, Attorney Matibag, do you want to hear his opinion? Okay, Attorney Matibag.
just to clarify, kasi tama naman po si Congresswoman Dan, na kung nagsabi, baka hindi nagka-problema eh. Ngayon, dinajustify nila by saying na hindi naman engaging eh. But you're already soliciting for investment. Anong tawag naman natin doon? So yun lang po yung point ko, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may I request a parliamentary inquiry, Mr. Chair? Yeah. I know we're talking about energy.
Honorable, yes.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I know we are talking about energy, but it's already late and we are starting to lose energy. We ask how many pages will the chairman then will try to ask.
Yes, maybe we will have to give, because he waited for so long, no? That's why I would like to give him enough
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I can stop.
time
No
to be able
problem.
to raise all his positions.
Hindi, kay...
So you can raise
Boss
all the
Rufus.
arguments you would like to raise in,
Yeah.
you know, he's been doing this since 2019 and let's give it to him. Honorable,
Hindi, para at least hindi lang mawala
Honorable Dan Fernandez.
yung momentum. Kasi
You
papunta
have the
na tayo
floor.
dun sa issue kanina na hindi clarified eh. We have to show our documents. Sa page 19 po kasi, sinasabi po doon sa inyong pong franchise law. Pakita po natin. Yan. Sinabi po sa franchise law nyo, the NGCP franchise law delegated yung power of eminent domain to the NGCP as Transco concessionaire. It provides that only private property may be acquired by NGCP for purposes of its franchise. Kasi ito, nag-expropriate po kayo doon sa Social Security System ng 60,852 sa Pasay City. 230 kilovolts substation project. At nire-require lang po doon 2,000. Bakit po bumili kayo ng 60,852 tapos ang kailangan lang requirement is 230 kilovolt na 2,000 square meter lang ang kailangan na lote?
Mr. Chair, again, may I be recognized? And may I be given
Please
wide
proceed.
latitude to answer? First of all, Mr. Chair, we begin with that the SSS expropriation has been abandoned. Second, strictly speaking, it cannot be said that there's an absolute prohibition from expropriating government property. Expropriation is allowed for so long as the property is held by the government in its proprietary capacity. Second of all, Mr. Chair, it's not unusual to have a substation that big. Again, maybe this would serve to invite members of the committee to visit one of our substations because these facilities are very big. It is not limited to the footprint of your transformer. There are several large lines that have to come into the facility in order to bring in and take out the energy that passes through the transformers. So, if I may po, no, kung imagine niyo yung mga transformer namin, giant version po ng mga 110 to 220 step-down transformers. So, pagpasok po ng kuryente, may malaking linyang papasok, meron din hong malaking linyang palabas.
Pero, sandali,
meron din hong mga control center.
Mucha.
Kaya malaki po yung kinakailangang footprint, hindi po unusual. Nung panahon po ng Transco, meron tayong mga facilities po sa Bulacan as well as in Cebu that are
Kasi,
of comparable
Atty. Mucha,
size.
gabi na, sandali muna. Okay. Okay na, naintindihan ko na yun. Okay? Pero ang sinasabi po, 60,000 square meter yung pinapurchase nyo. Pero 230 kilovolt substation lang to. Hindi to nagre-require ng 60,000 square meter. Why? Transco. Ang laki ng 60,000 square meter.
San Jose is how?
At sa 230 kilovolt substation project, does it require 60,000 square meter?
Who are you addressing that to?
Sa Transco, alam nila to.
Transco, please reply.
Mr. Chair, based on my estimate that 60,000 square meters is too much for just a substation, even including the incoming power lines or the outgoing power lines.
Yun ang sinasabi ko. Kasi nga 230 kilovolts lang
Before,
to.
Engineer, kung masyadong malaki, ano ho dapat tamang sukat sa
2,000
tingin nyo?
square meter.
That would depend po kung ano ang capacity ng substation, ano ang...
Hindi, yung pinag-uusapan ng substation para sabihin nyo malaki, dapat meron kayong pinagbabasihan.
Normally, a 2-hectare area might be already sufficient. So that's
For?
about 20,000 square meters.
What's the size now?
Hindi. Kasi yung 230 kilovolt substation, Mr. Chairman, hindi naman nagre-require yan 60,000.
Oh, so the
Siguro
60,000 is 6
2,000,
hectares.
3,000 is enough.
So
Diba?
sinasabi
Tama?
niya, 2 hektarya.
Yes, 20,000.
Kaya pwede na.
Hindi ho.
Hindi, kasi 20,000 ang binanggit niyang 20,000 square meters eh.
As I was saying, wala hong straightforward na tawag nito sukat yan kasi marami pong factors involved like yun nga yung capacity, kung ilan po yung number ng...
Alam niyo ba yung pinag-uusapan ng substation na yun? Alam niyo ba yan?
Hindi ako totally aware dyan, but yun pong capacity na yun na 60,000 is too much for just one substation.
Okay. Ito bang property to, kung matanong ko po, malapit ba to sa SMOA?
I think so, Mr. Chair.
Malapit, di ba?
Yes. Mr. Chair.
So, sandali, wait.
yeah.
May tatanong ulit ako. Malapit sa SMR o MOA. Now, ang tanong ko, abandon? Inabandon
Yung
nyo na yung,
procurement of that property, yes.
Sinong nakabili ngayon nung property? Wala sa pangalan ng SM?
I have no idea, Mr. Chair.
Wala po kaya sa SM?
Nope.
Sa PISAM, we asked this PISAM, ano po nangyari dito sa property na to? Have you encountered this issue about the property? Importante po ito kasi hindi natin pwede expropriate yung mga government property. Ang sabi sa franchise law, only private property may be acquired.
Mr. Chair, this is not part of the PISAM property, so I'm not aware, Mr. Chair.
So wala sa pangalan to ng ng NGCP surely
No, Mr. Chair.
Even yung
It's a public record po.
Even yung sa may ito, Laguna to, area ko to, sa Barangay Bitin, Bae, Laguna.